Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use pushcut for office task notification. So just tap on my pushcut app. So pushcut is a powerful iOS app designed to create smart notifications that can trigger shortcuts, URL and online automations. It is particularly useful for managing office tasks and staying organized. Below are the steps and features you can utilize to effectively use pushcut for office task notifications. So keep to see that how it's work. So I will just tab on this new notification. So I will just change the name like office meeting. So I just tap to save it and tab on done. So I will just tab on this trigger, and from here I will just tab on the top right corner of plus icon, and from here I will just tab on the select notification. So just select the office meeting, and I will be just select the time, which is like 1:30 p.m. So I will just set the time, and if you have location, so you can just mention here the location when arriving. So you will just tap to done it, and here you will see daily. So every day at 1:30 p.m. it will be notifying you that you have a meeting with your co-workers. So that's it. This is how to using pushcut for office task notifications. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.